Your nation people. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. You see what I say? Watch me now. Right about now, we see the General Bounty Killer and Jahshii vice the big collaboration. Cause remember Jahshii done tell the world, So right now, if you want a collaboration right now, from Killer ready, So right now, Killer and Jahshii roll out the big collaboration. So you see everything cute and crisp. No gimmicks thing. They're dead about it. But right about now, I see a whole heap of people. I try to tell me some Anansi stories, because people want to make me know say here I go on 10 star. Beanie Man give Vibes Cartel him first billboard hit. Yo, men and people, let me tell you something. We not go hold no argument over it, But when you can go do no research, it's easy for you. Him give him first #1, not him first billboard hit. The song where him and Vibes Cartel though, it got #1, in Jamaica, maybe elsewhere in the Caribbean, but it never go up on the billboard chart. You see what I say? No joke shit not there about it. All you have to do is just go do your research and go look. It never hit the billboard chart. You see what I deal with? No lollipop thing not there. You see what I deal with? Yeah, you know a real way I represent. I represent no gimmicks way. You see what I deal with? So after all of who want chat and talk about Vibes Cartel, admit that. Vibes Cartel admit the #1 song. Him never admit to no billboard chart business. No gimmicks thing. And if it dep on the billboard chart, they can screenshot it and send me it. No lollipop thing, I make me see it. You see what I say? Otherwise, no worse argument with me. You see what I deal with? Anyway, at the world, it's not a plan. So watch how I go on, carefully, A franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. Oh, no, it go already, When I come for represent, full effecting man. Oh, no, it go? When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing then. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about you. Watch me, man. Hey, are the people's champion. Oh, yeah, man. Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me, man. Hey, are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Your nation people. It can't get no better than this. But big up look at addi. Pan in birthday, is what I say. No gimmicks business there. None know yesterday was in birthday and I never get to represent. I still I say bless up yourself, look at addi. Anyway at all there. You don't know 10 stars are respect to the fullest. Is what I say because them can't believe, Look at you like you know do it so big, When the news it not even play a Jamaica, When the news it up on some chart where people on go dream of. Where you say BT playlist look at it. No it gone in a game. I don't know lollipop thing that. I don't know gimmicks thing that. Every time your song play upon that papers have to run. Oh fuck man. Sure. Oh fuck man. Hear what I say now. The general bounty killer say him have 10 more years in a dance hall and him have a unleash for this last decade where him have in a dance hall. Him have a unleash. You see what I say? Nothing but wicked music. You see what I say? Rightfully. You see what I say? Yeah, because you don't know the general that no gimmicks business. The general say I'm going to unleash for the next decade. You see what I say? Something where a dude named Vegas can't try for attempt. I know the whole of them I watch them can't wait till the King of Kingston drop. But right now, to me see the album, to me see couple songs off of the album where come out, me don't see say well then it's a time bomb that bomb lad. It don't go just a wait for necessary time for explode. No joke shit not dead about it. You see what I say? So the general supposed to add up the whole of 2022. You see what I say? Yeah man, no joke shit. The album they're supposed to send the general straight to touring. You see what I say? You hear me? General, the album they're gonna make you get home. Just like Jerome. No lollipop thing not dead about it. You see what I say? I really way I represent no gimmicks way. You see what I deal with? Yeah, because I know all even the vendetta, jockstrap sniffing fanboy, them right now, them afraid. Them did one hold up competition with Killer album business. I tell the man them, yo, it's a Killer, no really drop full album. This is way before even vendetta even think them go even make an entry in the dancehall business. You see what I say? No lollipop thing not dead about it. You see what I deal with? Them man they stamp them name in a dance hall. No joke shit not dead about it. You know what I mean? Not even chisel can use to dig out that. That's how far them man the name gone into dance hall. Making a dance hall. You hear me? I don't know where you well on. I don't know where you join on. You see what I say? I real talk me and me. So anytime the King of Kingston drop, you know go see what go on nation people. You know what I mean? Because if the King of Kingston drop, you know, I guarantee you it have its song on it. Cause song where dep on it already. You see what I say? Boom bang it already. You see what I say? Godzilla it already. You see what I say? You know what I mean? No gimmicks thing not dead about it. So all of who did that go over the general page and a trace him off. All because you know go like say, you know some special fish. Cause you know make the general have to go buy all a new net phone, you know. The general have to buy a new net to the ticket them swarm down and come down in a group and bungle. You see what I say? A new net the general have to buy. You see what I say? Yeah. And say all schools are fish each up in a net. No draw shit not dead about it. You know what I mean? No gimmicks thing not dead about it. You know what I mean? And the people and una tell the general about general. Be careful. You know what type of song them where you promote and be careful because it's a rude boy song. The general and jahshii do. I don't go and men and people I go like them want to screw up them face and I go like them a clown. It's just a song. It's not different from no other rest song. You see what I say? So I don't know what I chat about. It's just a song. It's not different from no other rest song, my brother. So I don't know what I deal with or what I try bring up or what I try to say or whatever I try to do. Whatever that can't stop the man them thing. Because the song with the general and jahshii do, that is a hit song to it shot. Anytime it release, you know, go and see the material evidence. You see what I say? I notice anything the man them do, ready for call down the man them, ready for run and go in at the man comment box and I give the man them be a chat and them shit there. Yo, all me not see on run over the vendetta boss page when him drop a song and tell him say that song then not to feel it. Una never do that yet. Every song where him drop, una feel it, right? Every single song where him drop, una feel it, right? Don't it? He's a perfect guy, right? Yeah. And him gonna drop perfect song, don't it? Yo, no, now do you know? And nobody laugh with it, you know, nobody play with it, you know. General a double platinum artist, you hear me? General a Grammy artist, you hear me? Yeah, the general makes sound system. You see what I say? Make sound system, make artists know you can reach out a sound system just off a dove plate alone. And the general bring in that in a dance hall, you hear that? I don't know, joke shit. You see what I say? Just like how right now, if a boy want all of the Vibes Cartel Duff plate, I don't think he can play for it. And the boss have to decide in mind and say, well then, yo, you're here. I could give him a Duff plate sharp boss. You see what I say? Yeah, and I don't joke shit, because many try and fail. You see what I say? One Duff plate from the general. Can't get that so easy. You see what I say? You have one at the time in a dance hall where the general not even do no Duff plate. You know what I mean? That's how crabby them man is. You see what I say? And when boy come for Duff plate from Killer and them shit, there is not any boy can get Duff plate from them man there. No joke shit not dead about it. I look at you to run around the studio we more to get a Duff plate from the general than a sound man. And then a lollipop thing. And I don't joke shit, them man, they treat them Duff plate business like diamond, you know. So when time you want Duff plate from them man, they, you know, papers are fair running, you know, gimmicks thing not that about it, you know. No lollipop thing not that about it, you know. But anyway, people look out. The King of Kingston and load right now in the pipe iron. It soon explode right now because everything there on a time bomb. You hear that? Or the general, the 10-star wanna represent. What? Bars away now. There ain't no other way. 10-star general.